This is the entrepreneurship club. We have received the mushroom from the Eco-Agric Uganda. We are so glad as the school business club. We are so glad. Thank you so much.
Eco-Agric Uganda, Kasingo district. We thank you for the support you have granted to us, and finally we have got the gardens of our things. We ask you to always come and support us in case there are other things which have come, which are new. Thank you.
Okay, our vote of thanks to Eco-Agric Uganda for the provision of our mushroom gardens. We hope to care about them, and how we wish you keep coming, checking on us, on how we are taking care of this mushroom garden so that we can gain out of it. Thanks.
How many will come for the festival?
We shall.
Okay.
Yes.
You see, even that started exploding. What about this one? My son, no, they are the ones, but they are not.
So I think
My name is Afua Sanyasi. This is the project which we have started at Kawali the Bus, and the club is called the Entrepreneurship Club. This is the nursery bed where we have placed our seeds. The reason why we have started this is to gain more skills and obtain our objectives in our studies.
good afternoon. This is Entrepreneurship Club, covered like a trust. The reason why I have started this is to gain the skill, because the Uganda of today acquires the skills when we are learning, and is why this project is started. And we have not only this is for us also to get some capital in order to save our parents from spending much, like when we need soap and other things. This will help us save them. And our mushroom, we have made this thing. This thing is made for it to grow, and after 1 week we are going to cut this thing. And how we were taught that this thing takes a week for it to get mature and ready to be used as a source. And we appreciate you for encouraging us and giving us these skills of growing mushrooms. Not only this, as you have promised us to bring more seeds of other vegetables. We kindly and highly appreciate you for this. I remain the student of Eco-Agric Trust, determining my destiny for God and my country.